Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to translate any website using Google Chrome quickly and easily. So if you find a web page in another language, like Spanish, and you want to read it in English, here's exactly what to do. So let's say you searched for a Spanish recipe, ¿Cómo hacer un batido de mango? You click on one of the results, and now the whole page is in Spanish. You want to make this delicious mango smoothie, but you don't understand the language. No worries, let's translate it. If you're on the page and no translation option pops up automatically, just right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to English. Instantly, Google will translate the entire web page into English so you can easily follow along. But let's make this even faster. You can set Chrome to automatically offer translation for any foreign language page. Click the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Settings. Next, click on the Languages tab. Scroll down and toggle on Use Google Translate. Set your preferred language in the Translate into this language section. Now, when you visit a Spanish website, you'll see a little Google Translate icon appear on the top right side of your address bar. You can click that any time to instantly translate the page. No extra extensions needed. You can even set Chrome to always translate Spanish to English. Just click on the three-dot menu, then select Choose Another Language. Finally, pick your desired language, so every time you visit a Spanish site, it automatically switches to English. Or, if you're learning Spanish, you can choose the Never Translate This Page option. You can also translate Google search results directly. Just right-click on any white space on the results page and select Translate to English. This will translate all your search results into English or any language you prefer. You can also add Google Translate to the Chrome toolbar, and with one click, you can access Google Translate quickly. And remember, Chrome uses Google Translate for this feature. It's fast and accurate for most languages, though not 100% perfect. Let's try the opposite example. If you're on an English website and want to translate it to another language, say Spanish, just right-click, choose Translate to Spanish, and Chrome will instantly do it for you. So now you can translate any website into any language, English, Spanish, you name it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.